So hey developers, how are you? So I think you are all good, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make a basic navigation bar in Framer. Okay, so I think you all know me because I have made some such videos on YouTube, and today we are going to continue those videos. Okay, so by the way, my name is Pradeep and I am a Framer expert and a Framer developer with 2 years of experience, and we are going to teach you the Framer expertise. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go and learn how to make a basic navigation bar in Framer. Okay, let's go. So now we are on the dashboard of the Framer, as you can see here, and firstly we have to see that which type of navigation bar we are going to learn and how it will be made. Okay, so let's see how it's been done and how it's looking. So firstly I will show you which type of navigation we are going to make. Okay, so simply it's a web page in which we have made a navigation bar. Simply open it on inspect mode and let's see how it will work. You can see when it comes to a smaller screen, it automatically changes like this. The links in the navigation bar will come in the menu bar. Okay, so let's see how it will open. It's opening something like this. Okay, and how it's looking on mobile. Now the button will also disappear. Okay, so let's see how can we made this. And button should be looking in the navigation bar menu. Okay, so this type of navigation bar we are going to learn today. Okay, so without wasting any further time in this video, let's go and start this. Okay, so this is our Framer dashboard and this is the navigation bar that I have showed you how. Okay, and I think this is the navigation bar that which I have showed you just now, that it is the navigation bar we are going to make it. Okay, so this is the making process of above navbar that we have seen like just now. Okay, so if you know me and watch my some of the content, then you are able to make a static. I'm not talking about responsive navbar, I'm talking about static navbar. You can easily make that. Okay, so let's see how we can make a static or navigation, responsive navbar. Okay, so let's see. This is a just simple page. This is just a logo. This is a navigation wrapper. Let me show you. You can see here this is a logo. This is a link wrapper in which we have wrapped some of the links. Okay, and this is a button. This is a button wrapper. Okay, so let's see how it's look like. You can see it is now not responsive and not happening something in the web page. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. So I think you can make this, and after that what you have to do, when you made the button in the end like here, so what you have to do, wrap the button in another div. Okay, what I am talking, that make your button and then wrap that into another div or stack. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to make a navigation bar menu icon. Okay, so you cannot see it here because I have made it visible none. Okay, so yes, now you can see it here. So this is the menu icon that I have made, but it should be visible none on the static. Okay, just it's a feather icon that you have know. If you don't know that, I will show you. You can simply search here FEA, and here is the feather icon. You can simply just drag it and search for any icon like this. Okay, so it's just simply a feather icon that I have made in the div. Okay, now what we have to do to show the overlay or the navigation bar that shows on the mobile or tab. Okay, so let's see. Simply just select the icon, icon of the navigation bar. Okay, we call it icon of the navigation bar. Then simply select the icon and go to the overlays section. We can see it here. It is the overlays. Okay, simply select the icon, go to the overlay and make it fixed, not relative. We have to make it fixed like that, and we have to make it z index above from the all elements, not to the one but all. Okay, so simply make it plus. Then you see that the navigation bar has gone back to the page. Okay, so now what we have to do, simply make a div or stack. Okay, make a stack in the center and make its position align center and justify center, and we are going to make its width by 100% and by height to the 100%, and we will going to make this color to the black shade like this, and its transparency to 50 or 60 something, like 60. Okay, yes. And now what you have to do here, we are going to see some of the links when it comes to the tab screen. Okay, so we have to show here the links that we are going to show on the tab screen. Okay, I think you will understand when we go to the mobile screen. Okay, then simply go to the links that we have generated. So here is the link wrapper. Simply copy this and come back to the div that we have created in the overlays. Okay, we will simply give it a name like link wrapper. Okay, and paste the above div that we have copied. Okay, and the link wrapper layout should be open. Okay, not to be closed but to be open like this. Okay, now the links were in center, but you can't able to see them because they have also a black color, so we have to give a different color from the background. Okay, so I think yes, you are able to see them. We are going to make it direction change and change their font sizes. Okay, then we have to make it done. Okay, whenever we are done with our overlays changes and overlays customization, we should make it done from above. Okay, like this. And now see what will happen when we click on the icon. Like this button is hovered, and when we click on icon, the overlay means the navbar on the mobile screen like open on the desktop, not on the tab, not on the mobile, but on the desktop. Okay, so we have to show this on the tab screens and mobile screens. Okay, so what we have to do, simply choose the mobile icon and make this visible no. Okay, simply make this visible no, but after that, before that we have to make the mobile menu navigation bar a fully working and functional, not responsive but functional. Okay, so what we have to go to the overlay, and now we have opened the overlay, but it should be a icon that will close the overlay. Okay, so what we do, let's see. Simply we will choose an icon like feather that we have done before. Okay, and make it to the cross icon. And style it like whatever you want. Okay, Okay, then I have made the close icon, but it's not functional now. Then let's see how it will be functional. Okay, then on whichever element you want to close the overlay, like we have to close the overlay on clicking on the links. Okay, so on which of the element we want that the overlay and the menu should be closed, simply select that. Like I want the overlay will be closed on clicking home link. Okay, so simply select the home link and go to the interaction panel, which is on the top on the right side. Okay, I will show you here. This is the interaction panel. Okay, simply select that, select the element and go to the interaction, and here is the option that calls close overlay. Simply enable that. Okay, and here is a simple dashboard of closing overlay. We can simply make it click on click we want the close oh sorry we want the overlay closed onto the click start onto the mouse enter means the hovering or not. Okay, so simply make it click, not to the other options. Okay, and we can make it delay by 1 second or 2 seconds. Okay, you can customize it as you want, and we will make it done. And now see what changes it should be. Simply go to the icon and make it, and you can see here that on clicking on the close icon it will not closing, because we have make the closing functionality on the link, not on the icon. Okay, then see, on clicking the home page, like see, the overlay will be closed. Okay, so on which element you want to close the overlay, select the element, go to the interaction panel and choose the overlay close option. Okay, so now we have made the functionality of closing overlay on all elements, and now we will make it done from here. Okay, then before some time I have said to you that after doing all the changes and all the functionalities, we will make the icon none on the static page. Okay, so now it's the time to make it visible none. So we will make it visible none from here. Okay, so now it's time to see that how we will make it responsive. Okay, so we will make the add the breakpoints from above point. We will add a breakpoint of 1024. So let's see what is happening here. So we have to make the width fill, not to the fixed or not to the fit. Okay, so we have to make the width to the fill, so it should be looking good on 1024. After that we will add a tablet, sorry, not to the table but to the tablet. Yeah, it's looking good on the tablet. And after that we will add a small tab. No, it's not looking good on the small tab. So what we are going to do here, simply we will visible none to the all links. Okay, select the links wrapper, like here is the link wrapper, and we will make it visible none from here, and we will enable the menu icon that we have disabled before. Okay, so the links should be clickable on small screens. Okay, so we'll select the menu icon and go to the visible and make it visible here. Okay, after that we will do the same process for the mobile screen and surface duo. Okay, so we will load to the mobile screen. Okay, so it is looking good. After that we will go to the phone screen, and let's see, no, it's not looking good. So what we have to do, simply make the contact button visible none. Okay, like this. And now let's preview that how it's looking or not. that you have seen that the links are closing when it's come to the small tab screen, and the button icon will appear. And let's see what is happening on the button icon on small screen. Like, see that the navigation bar is coming on the small screens and also closing on the small screens on all end vents, like that. And let's see what is happening on the phone screen. The button is going away and the menu bar is opening. Okay, so by following this process you can easily make a nav bar in Framer, and you can make it easily responsive. It's not a big deal. So by following this process you can easily make a nav bar. And by the way, we are in a company that called VDL Call, and it's a good company. If you want to join, then you can go to my website, which is in the description. We will personally call you to get in the company. Thank you.